Hi there. I hope you're enjoying the series of videos I'm making on rebuilding a T160 engine. I'm just going to post a very short video now. I just wanted to show you the difference between the outer cases on the engine before they were polished and now after they've been polished, because the polishers have done a great job and there's such a marked difference. So to begin with, here's a few pictures of to remind you of what the cases looked like before they were polished. And now here's a short video showing what the cases look like now after they've been polished. Right, I thought I would just take a quick video of the outer cases as they've come back from the polishers, because they look so good. Okay, he's done a great job. I don't know if you can remember, I'll try and juxtapose this with the other video of the heavy scratching that was on the bottom of this timing case. It's like new now. The cases have come up absolutely brilliant. They're more like chrome now than alloy. Again, there was very heavy scoring on the side of the gearbox casing, and again that's all completely gone. And the cases, you know, they have come up like chrome. So it was for this lot, it was £100 to have them polished, which I think, you know, is great. I mean, I could do it myself, but A, it's a horrible messy job, and B, I could never get it quite as shiny as they get it. I can get it pretty shiny, but it takes ages and is incredibly dirty. You have to do it outside really, because all the dust and that it creates. And I know I can just take it there, they'll do it, and they'll do a fantastic job. And they have. You know, I'm particularly pleased with the timing case, you know, because it was so, I'll try and move that plastic off, it was such a mess, you know, and obviously the bike has been dropped at some point and that corner was really badly gouged, as was the gearbox. And yeah, so I'm really pleased. So hopefully we can see a video of what they look like before I took them in, and you can see the contrast. They've done a great job. I'm really pleased. So yeah, I'm really pleased with them, really pleased, and it really sort of spurs the rebuild on, knowing how good it's going to look when it's done. I just mentioned that I had the polishing done at Prestige Plating in Mexborough in South Yorkshire, and they do a great job, but you know, the waiting list, the lead time is massive. So if you want chroming done, I think their waiting time is now 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. And that polishing, the wait time there was 3 weeks. I think environmental sort of laws or constraints are becoming stronger and stronger, so there's less and less sort of plating companies about. And so because of that, you know, the ones that are still there are, you know, getting snowed under with work. So just be aware of that. Anyway, very pleased with the way the cases have come out.